or is standby blower? Okay. So let us, that is why, I mean, I will remove then this one. Because we are going to review one and one is standby. Okay.
One point, so that's not the development school, but we want to show you Dr. View. So I have a question asking for this 2.5.
Which one?
No, that we will discuss separately, not here.
Yeah, don't close here, please. Let us focus the HAZOP.
That is a general arrangement issue you will discuss separately.
Okay.
Just it was raised here.
Guys, let us focus 30 minutes. I want to close this note in 30 minutes, then you can, I mean, take your time to discuss. We are discussing the sludge blower fan, and the configuration is N+1, one running, one standby. So I'm going to generate one no-flow situation if the blower fan malfunction trip. This is again vendor supply, right?
Yeah.
All the point of blower remains the suction and discharge.
But let us complete it. So I mean, I would say blower fan trip. Number 5.
Air filter block.
So then we need to understand if DPS is there or not, we do not know, because this is vendor package. That is I'm saying that if you go in the detail, I need instrumentation. So I can say that, let's say blower fan trip, or no blower from the, no air, no compressed blower air from the blower. If you want to go for filter, then I want to understand DPAH.